all you got to do is just spray it, take your rag, wipe it. That's it. So much easier. Now you could go ahead and put your self-leveling Dicor on there and be good to go. Hey everyone, so I want to show you guys what I learned to prep the RV surface to seal. So what I used to do is I used to spray the surface with Dawn dish soap, then scrub it a bunch to get it clean, to get all the dirt off, and then rinse it off with water. That was really laborious. It didn't really work very well. It also got the roof really wet when I was rinsing off all the suds. So I found out a new way to prep the surface. I wanted to share that with you guys. It's been recommended to me to use a multi-purpose professional solvent cleaner. So I went to a shop. They do like industrial cleaning solutions and things like that, and I showed them the safety data sheet for this professional solvent cleaner that I was recommended to use. It shows the formula right on there of what it is, and so he was able to help me identify what components made up the solvent. It was 80% paint thinner and 20% mineral spirits. So what I did is I went to the hardware store. I got a spray bottle. So here on the bottle it has measurements there. So I filled up 20 fluid ounces of paint thinner and then 5 fluid ounces of mineral spirits. Shook it together to mix it, and that's all it is. So I want to show you guys the difference here. So this is a prep surface. This is ready to reseal. And then this is a surface that has not been treated. So you have an untreated surface here. I'm just going to go ahead and spray it. Yep, so there you go. You just wipe that off just like that. Okay. So you can see here the difference there. But you know, just wipe that off. Okay. And that's ready. You go over another time if you want. There you go. That's ready. That's so much easier than scrubbing it with some soap. Hope you guys found that useful. We are a family of 6. We're preparing to do a big road trip across the country. We bought this RV used. It definitely has some work that's needed on it. So I'm going to make a bunch of videos getting the RV ready, getting our house ready to rent our travels, some different ways to fix RVs, do it yourself kind of channel there. It could definitely be very expensive if you pay someone else to do all the work. Hopefully we provide some value. Follow us along for our journey if you're interested.